Lick me like a lollipop.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? So today I'm here with this company by the name of Kooky or Kooky here, and I am beyond excited. Remember, in my previous hair video I told you guys that I'm going to be trying out more colors, so that's exactly what I am doing today. This color right here is one that I've never ever tried. Actually, the look, I've never ever tried it, so we're gonna jump into this package. I'm so excited for this. Love this for me. So they put some bubble wrap in there. Okay, so I got a wig. Wait, me so get into the wig. So what else we got in the package? I got a pair of lashes. I love the packaging, so nice and sophisticated. Oh my god, I'm not sure with a box here. I really like this. It's so nice. So okay, it's a simple pair of lashes, you know, nothing too extra. Me with all the colors going on, you don't need nothing too extra. This is a nice little pair of simple lashes. Then the rest of what I got in this package is two candy. Okay, so I got these two candy because, honey, the hair color is screaming nothing but candy. This package is so festive. I love that. Kooky. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so this is the wig we're working with today. Them step up panda wig, you know? You wear them wig when you go on like party. Straight up. You try to make fashion statement. Straight up. You have to be very bold fashion wise to step out in a them look serious. I really love the combination. It's a straight texture, as you can see. So this is 150% in density. It's a 13x4 lace frontal wig. I'm happy about that. And it's also transparent lace. I love working with transparent and HD laces. Swiss lace though, top tier. But yeah, this is a transparent lace. This is 24 inches long, and as I said, it's a straight texture. All right, and it's 3 different colors going on. We got purple, pink, and blonde. You guys know I'm not much of a pink girl, but I'm gonna rock it for the sake of the look at today. And I'm just like, the fact that this wig come like this, like you saw I got it out of the package like this. So if you want to dibble and dabble into color like this, but you can't bother for color the ear yourself, or you don't know if to do it, Kooky have your back. Like, you can just go over there and you get it just like this. Now this is how the hairline looks. It's a bit pre-plucked. Could definitely go in and pluck it some more. Yep. But I love this. So this is how it looks. Because it's processed, it doesn't feel like super fine. So because I do understand it's been through like a lot of process, you see it has 3 different colors. So I'm definitely going to do like a bone straight look with this today. Am I getting any shedding? I got like 1 strand here. Not sure if you guys can see, but I expect to definitely get shedding from this. I just hope not excess. I got 1 more strand. Hope it's not excessive because, you know, it's processed. It's very much processed. But enough of the rambling. Let's jump into applying this wig. I'm ready. This is a lot. Oh my gosh. You guys know the drill. I'm gonna measure it up from ear to ear. Make sure it sits comfortably over my ear portion. And if, like, definitely this is too long for me, so I'm going to have to cut off some at the sides, like right here. So just make sure that it's lined up properly. And then this is a medium cap size, by the way. I prefer going bigger than smaller, because next thing you'll get the wig and it too small for your head, and you don't want that. And see, it's so much longer on the ear portion. So Let's go. I went ahead and cut away the excess lace. I just didn't include that part because I mean you guys always see when I do that. So I tied the elastic band around this area here for about 10 minutes. So this is how the lace is looking. Now I'm gonna fix this area. I know I look crazy. I look so crazy, but I'm going to fix it. So I'm gonna just jump into doing the edges, and I want it to be like really sparse. I'm trying to figure out whether I'm gonna do a side part or a center part for this. This is how we're looking. I just went in and started to kind of like, you know, use my hot comb to make the side lace. So I decided that I'm going to do a side part. Has some flyaways here, but we're gonna take care of that with the wax stick and my hot comb. That's looking wow. I'm about to straighten this, get it bone straight. All I did was tighten the adjustable straps in the back. So now I'm gonna go through the hair with my flat iron. Problems to straighten. It has flyaways, but it's like, you know, you can tame them, and because you know it's processed and everything, this is how it looks. So alright, I want to go ahead and just give the front here a little bit of layers so it kind of like frame my face better here in the front, but not too much, just a little, like from here. Yeah, that's perfect. Me look like Me look like me one artist. I look like I'm about to do some music. Like I'm about to go to my studio session, okay? Only thing is I gotta find the song and the melody. I love it. Kooky here. You did it for me. You did it. It's really pretty. It's like, and it's not shiny. That would make it look like really like the fact that it's not like shiny and look like dolly hair, you know.
When I'm in need. I ain't saying she ain't meant to be no broke. She ain't meant to be no broke nigga.
Show me in the back. Yeah, that's it for today's video. For all the girls out there that love to experiment, love to be bold, love to just like this is the wig for you. This is the wig for you. If you're not afraid to step out and just switch up your look and be drastic, this is the wig for you for sure. I'm going to put the specifications to this wig in the description box, the direct link if you're interested to order it and get this look for yourself. And yeah, let me know if you guys like this look. If you like the switch up and something in the comment section, and also give this video a thumb up. Go ahead and share this video. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up for yourself. Bye.